follow these 5 major home remedies for itchy feet. Itchy feet is most often caused by dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, diseases like liver disease and celiac disease, nerve disorders, irritation and allergic reactions, drugs and pregnancy. It can also be due to athlete's foot or some kind of fungal infection. The duration and intensity of itchy feet varies depending upon the cause of the problem, but you must avoid rubbing or scratching your feet, as it will only worsen the condition. In the meantime, you can use few natural remedies to help relieve the symptoms of the itchy feet and keep your skin soft and moisturized. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Being acidic in nature, apple cider vinegar helps to kill fungi and bacteria that can be responsible for itchiness on your feet. It also helps to restore the natural pH balance of your skin. For external use, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 3 parts warm water in a small tub or a bucket. Soak your feet in this solution for 15 minutes, and then thoroughly pat them dry. Do this twice every day for 1 week or so. For internal use, add 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink it twice daily. It relieves you from all kinds of itchiness. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda balances pH levels on your skin, thus creating an environment that doesn't facilitate the growth and development of bacteria. A 2005 study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment supports the use of baking soda baths to treat psoriasis by promoting less itchiness and irritation. For external use, add ½ cup of baking soda to a small tub filled with cool water. Stir it well to distribute the baking soda thoroughly. Soak your feet in this water for 20 to 30 minutes. Pat your feet dry with a towel. Do this once daily. Caution: never use baking soda on broken skin or open wounds. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera contains excellent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Plus, it contains vitamin E that helps keep the skin moisturized and in turn reduces itching. A 2009 study published in Phytotherapy Research concludes that aloe vera gel is as effective as benzyl benzoate in the treatment of scabies. For external use, extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel on the itchy area of your feet. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this simple remedy once daily. Number 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has strong antiseptic and antifungal properties that help fight the root cause behind the fungal infection and stop the itchiness. For external use, mix equal amounts of 100% pure tea tree oil and olive oil. Rub the mixture on the itchy area twice a day. You can rinse it off after 30 minutes. Use this remedy for a few weeks to prevent a recurrence of this gnawing problem. Additionally, mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Rub the mixture on the infected area twice a day for several weeks. Let the mixture sit on your skin for 20 minutes before you rinse it off. Number 5. Saltwater soak. Salt controls the growth of the microbes causing any kind of foot infection, and in turn reduces itching and other discomforts. Plus, it helps soothe tired feet. Stir 2 teaspoons of salt into 1 pint of warm water. Pour the mixture into a foot tub. Immerse your itching feet in the solution for 10 minutes. Repeat the process a few times a day until the worst of the itching subsides. To make this remedy more effective, you can use Epsom salt instead of regular salt. Caution: do not use salt remedies if you have any skin tears or open sores. Additional tips: before going to bed, massage your feet with a mixture of glycerin and rose water to help keep the skin moisturized and soft. Drink lots of water to keep your skin hydrated. It also helps remove toxins from the body through urine. Avoid alcohol and drinks high in caffeine, as they are dehydrating in nature and can make itching worse. Eat a diet rich in vitamin A, B and D. A deficiency of these vitamins can lead to dry skin. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe it for latest videos.